Hey Albert, hey track fans, how we doing? Welcome to track 58. Here is the BMW Z4 GT3 on the track. Let's race straight up, first corner, Chicago. Round, long straight, up into a high rise. Look at that, Bentley bend. We can't keep up. He's already gone down the back of rack, around Hammerhead and through some chicanes. And down the other side in chicanes to Gambon as he got stuck there. Can he make it? It's ferociously wheel spinning, but no. Let's give him a hand into this R3 corner going underneath that bridge, which hosts Bentley Bend. Let's get on that bridge, Bentley Bend now. There it is, round long straight into Bacharach, down. Let's motor it through Hammerhead. Yes, little growth spurt there. Power, power. Round, slowly does it. Shoots through the R3 corner. This is a great track. The Z4 is handling well, actually, considering he's been in... he's been out of the race for a while. He's been having a break, guys. Let's make this our last lap. Through pole into Chicago, round up and over Bentley, to the chicane corner, long straight to Bacharach, round Hammerhead. Oh no, he stopped. What's going on here? Let's give him a little shoe on and see if that... Oh, it works. It works. I think he had a flat tyre. Anyway, here we go. Let's bring him home now. R3. Whoa! Lens on pole perfectly. See you later, track fans. Albert, bye now.